Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? It's Ryan from Pressureworks LLC, and today I wanted to post up a quick little video for you. Got a perfect example of why I'm doing an instructional video series, so check it out. Let me know what you think.
Alright, this is what high PSI does to wood right here. Okay, all this furring, it's no good. Too much pressure. Pressure washer will do some serious damage to wood if you got too much pressure. This is the results right here. All this where all my finger is. And you can see all these lines right here. This nice triangle. It definitely doesn't look good. And this is irreversible. You can't get rid of this stuff. You could try to sand it and lessen it somewhat, but you're still going to be visible. Like this here, you know, these lines right here. You're gonna see all this. You can't sand it, you can't re-clean it, you can't do anything with it. Like these over here, look at all these stop and start marks right here. All the dark and the light side. This is where somebody stopped with the wand while the water's still spraying on it and then started again. And these are all deep grooves cut right into this board. Can't sand that out. You can maybe try to flip the boards, but it's not going to look uniform. So this goes to show you that just because you got a pressure washer out there doesn't mean it's a magic wand. You can just wash anything and it's just going to look amazing when you get done. There's some techniques and tricks to prevent this stuff from happening, which is why I'm going to be doing the video series in a couple weeks. So you want to make sure you stay tuned. Like us on Facebook, so I'm going to be posting a bunch of instructional videos on Facebook. Going to be pretty cool. So it's pretty sad that this looks like this, but this is what example of too much pressure with a pressure washer will look like on wood if you don't know what you're doing. So just figured I'd share it with you guys today.